What's the meaning of BBC World? BBC World. BBC World.
BBC World. BBC World. The BBC World refers to the international broadcast arm of the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC. It is a global news platform that provides news, analysis, and insight from around the world. The programming covers a wide range of topics, including current events, politics, business, entertainment, and sports. The BBC World Service is available in over 40 languages and reaches an estimated 320 million people worldwide. The channel is highly respected for its impartial and reliable journalism, with reporters stationed in major cities across the globe. The BBC World is committed to providing accurate and impartial news and is considered one of the most trusted sources of news in the world.